All right, so for today's video, we are going to do a headlight refresh. I know it's getting really uncommon to see the flip-up lights on 240s working, as long as you have all your factory wiring. Most of the time you can get them working. Very common for people to think that the motors themselves go bad, when that's not typically the case. The motors don't really go bad that often. A lot of time it's the headlight switch that makes them not work, or if they flip up and they don't want to go down. Yeah, so here's the back of the headlight switch. These contacts right here get a little bit burnt up. You could disassemble the whole thing and then you'll find another contact inside of here. Might have gotten hot at some point, but yeah, these switches are still available at O'Reilly's. But anyways, on this one it ended up being the headlight switch itself and one relay. So it was the combination of the two that was making it not work. We've got the clear Ray Brig lenses we're going to do on these, and I wanted to show these part numbers for the links and the plastic surrounds. It's kind of cool that you can still buy these parts brand new, but you can see our link right here has seen better days, so we're going to get those replaced. Once we get these all torn down, we want to paint. We got mismatched buckets here, so we're going to paint these black to match the engine bay. Let's see what we can do. Let's try to make this look clean. All right, so we got 2 screws right here, 2 screws on the other side, and this should come right off. And then we got 4 screws right here for the outer trim. And let's get this motor out of here. got the lights working. They're looking super clean. I am really stoked about this. If you have any questions about, if you have issues with your headlights or whatever, drop a comment, let me know. But yeah, definitely wanted to make sure that after we did the harness deal, wanted to make sure that these still worked, double check our work. And now we're gonna get going. We're gonna get this thing running here pretty soon. So we've got everything we need. We got the ECU back from Enthalpy. Stay tuned because we're gonna get the turbo put on here. A couple people asked me about the plumbing on the turbo once it's actually installed in the vehicle. So I'm gonna go through all of that. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you for the next one.